Ask anyone to name an inventor, and Thomas Edison will likely be near the top of the list. His name is practically synonymous with the light bulb. But the story of this world-changing invention is more complex than a single genius having a eureka moment. While Edison played a crucial role in bringing electric light to the masses, the light bulb's history involves a chain of brilliant minds, each building upon the work of those who came before. The truth is, Edison didn't pull the idea of the light bulb out of thin air. He inherited a concept that had been flickering to life for decades. To understand Edison's true contribution, we need to rewind to the very first sparks of this illuminating invention. This journey takes us back to the early 19th century, where a British chemist named Humphrey Davy was about to ignite a revolution in lighting. The year is 1802. Humphrey Davy, a rising star in the scientific world, is experimenting with electricity. He has a powerful battery at his disposal, and he's using it to explore the unknown. Davy connected the battery to two wires, attaching a thin strip of carbon to the ends. When the circuit was closed, the carbon strip glowed brilliantly, emitting light for a brief but dazzling moment. This wasn't just a parlor trick, it was a scientific breakthrough. Davy had created what he called an electric arc lamp, demonstrating that electricity could be used to produce light. His invention was too short-lived and unstable to be practical for everyday use, but it was a pivotal moment. Davy had proven the concept of electric light was possible, and in doing so, he'd illuminated the path for future inventors. Following Davy's groundbreaking experiment, a parade of inventors took up the challenge of turning his electric arc lamp into a reliable and practical source of light. Each inventor brought their own ideas to the table, refining the design, experimenting with new materials, and gradually extending the lifespan of the light bulb. One notable innovator was Warren de la Rue, who in 1840 created a light bulb using a coiled platinum filament. Platinum, with its high melting point, was a significant improvement over carbon, but its high cost made it impractical for widespread use. Other inventors, like Joseph Swan in England, continued to experiment with different materials and designs, edging closer to a commercially viable light bulb. By the time Thomas Edison turned his attention to the light bulb in the 1870s, the concept was well over half a century old. Numerous inventors had laid the groundwork, but a practical, long-lasting and affordable electric light remained elusive. Edison, however, possessed a unique combination of scientific curiosity, business acumen, and sheer determination, and he was convinced that he could crack the code. Edison understood that the success of the light bulb wasn't just about the bulb itself, it was about creating a complete system. He envisioned a network of power generation, distribution, and affordable light bulbs that would revolutionize how people lived and worked. Edison's genius lay not in inventing the light bulb from scratch, but in taking an existing idea and, through relentless experimentation and refinement, transforming it into a practical reality for the masses. One of Edison's most significant contributions to the development of the light bulb was his tireless search for a long-lasting filament. He knew that the filament, the thin material that glows when heated by an electric current, was the key to a practical light bulb. Previous inventors had tried various materials, but all burned out too quickly. Edison and his team of researchers at Menlo Park tested thousands of materials, from plant fibers to metals. Legend has it that they even tried using hairs from the beards of his laboratory assistants. Finally, after countless experiments, they stumbled upon an unlikely hero-carbonized bamboo. This readily available material, when treated and formed into a thin filament, proved to be remarkably durable and efficient. Section 6. Beyond the filament, perfecting the whole package. While the bamboo filament was a major breakthrough, Edison's success wasn't solely due to this one discovery. He and his team meticulously refined every aspect of the light bulb's design. They improved the vacuum seal, ensuring that the filament wouldn't oxidize and burn out quickly. They experimented with different shapes and sizes of bulbs to optimize light output. Edison also understood that the success of the light bulb depended on more than just the bulb itself. He needed to develop an entire electrical system to power it. He designed dynamos, wiring, and even switches and fuses, creating a complete infrastructure for delivering electric light to homes and businesses. Section 7. A system, not just a bulb, lighting up the world. In 1882, Edison's years of relentless work culminated in the launch of the first commercial electric lighting system in New York City. This wasn't just about illuminating a few streets, it was about ushering in a new era. Electric light, once a novelty, was about to transform society. Factories could operate around the clock, homes could be brightly lit at night, and streets became safer after dark. Edison's system paved the way for the widespread adoption of electricity, forever changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Section 8. Edison's legacy, shining a light on collaboration. While Edison is often credited with inventing the light bulb, it's important to acknowledge the collaborative nature of invention. Edison built upon the work of countless brilliant minds who came before him, each contributing to the evolution of this revolutionary technology. Edison's true genius lay in his ability to bring together scientific knowledge, engineering prowess, and business acumen. He understood that innovation thrives in an environment of collaboration and shared knowledge. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring glow of innovation. The story of the light bulb is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and perseverance. It's a story of countless individuals, each adding their own spark of brilliance to illuminate the world. While Thomas Edison may not have single-handedly invented the light bulb, his relentless pursuit of a practical and affordable electric light, along with his vision for a complete electrical system, undoubtedly changed the course of history. The next time you flip on a light switch, take a moment to appreciate the long and winding road that led to that simple action. It's a journey that reminds us that even the most groundbreaking inventions are often the result of countless small steps and the combined efforts of many brilliant minds. We appreciate your support. Like and subscribe to help us continue creating valuable content.